This is a 1998 Jaguar XJR, and what often happens is I'm seeing people on YouTube cutting this part of the vehicle under here in order to open the latches that's gone bad. All you have to do is remove this. Once you remove this from under the wheel, there's a hole, a pre-cut hole by the manufacturer right here. This is the hole. I have this here so you can see. This is the hole. This is the hole already pre-cut by the manufacturer. You put a screwdriver in through here and you'll be able to release the latch from right here. This is where it goes. It goes right in there. That hole goes right in there, and you just pull it and you'll be able to release the latch. You don't have to cut your vehicle. You don't have to cut your vehicle. Hopefully this helps. I want to demonstrate an additional thing here. The reason why these latches are going bad is this piece right here. This gold piece here is going bad. After a while they wear out. From pulling and releasing, they wear out. And basically once it does that, you don't have that spring that you can get to release this. So what you have to do is find some kind of way to replace this here, this golden piece. You can use a spark plug to do it. I may do another video to do it. You can cut a spark plug and put it in there. If you don't want to do that, you're gonna have to find some other thing to put in here that will allow you to do that. The main problems with these latches going bad is from the XJ6s, not from these XJ8s. So it's anything pre-1995, I would say, that does a lot of these cable latches going bad. That's pre-1995, I think. So good luck with your project.